There's no such thing as work-life balance. None!
Hey, cunts, don't forget to click the subscribe button.
I will prove to you beyond a shadow of a doubt that we as a species are through. The reason why Elon Musk, and he said it, and the reason why a lot of the guys want us to be a multi-planet species is because we're through here. Not because of global warming, not because of climate change, we're through. We've got 7.5 billion people, of which only 0.00001% of the planet, or 750,000 people, can do QLA. Not because it's intellectually challenging, because it's emotionally draining. I told you last night we've only had one nervous breakdown this year. No attempted suicides, I believe. Last year was a hot year, though. Last year we had 4 or 5 attempted suicides, 3 or 4 nervous breakdowns. It was a good year. Because I know it was a good year because you were pushing yourself.